Samsung quietly had one of its most interesting foldable years yet. Yes, the Trifold stole headlines, and yes, the Galaxy Z Fold 7 was the obvious showstopper. But hiding just behind all that hype was something a bit more subtle and arguably more important. The Galaxy Z Flip 7 becoming genuinely good in almost every way. Thinner, cleaner, better displays, a bigger battery. It finally felt less like a cool concept and more like a proper flagship that just happens to fold. And here's the thing. When Samsung makes a big leap with one fold, the next year usually shifts focus. The Fold 7 got the spotlight this time, which means 2026 could very well be the year of the Flip. And if the early leaks are even close to accurate, the Galaxy Z Flip 8 might be Samsung's biggest glow-up yet. According to multiple leaks floating around on X, Samsung is planning to make the Flip 8 noticeably thinner. No numbers yet, but even without specifics, that alone would be huge. Because if there's one thing holding flip phones back from going fully mainstream, it's that chunky folded feel in your pocket. Slim that down, and suddenly a flip phone makes way more sense to a lot more people. What makes this especially interesting is Samsung's recent track record. The Galaxy Z Flip 7 already managed to squeeze a 4,300 mAh battery into a slimmer body compared to the Flip 6, which had a smaller battery and was thicker. That's not a small achievement. If Samsung can push that even further, thinner design, same battery, or maybe even a slightly bigger one, that's a massive win. Then there's the display. Again, leaks are vague, but expectations are pretty clear. A less visible crease, improved durability, maybe a brighter or more efficient panel. These are the little things that don't sound exciting on paper, but completely change how a foldable feels to use every single day. Samsung has been slowly refining this year after year, and the Flip 8 could be where it finally clicks. Performance-wise, nothing shocking is expected, but that's not a bad thing. Samsung is likely sticking with the Exynos 2600, the same chip expected to debut with the Galaxy S26 series. Since the Flip 7 already made the shift back to Exynos, this feels like a continuation rather than a compromise. Better efficiency, better thermals, and hopefully battery life that actually matches the smaller form factor. As for launch timing, no surprises here. Everything points to Samsung unveiling the Galaxy Z Flip 8 sometime in the second half of next year, right on schedule. No delays, no dramatic changes, just refinement. So the real question is this: if Samsung nails the thickness, keeps the battery strong, and fixes the few remaining foldable annoyances, could the Flip 8 finally be the foldable that makes sense for most people? Let me know what you want to see from it in the comments, and I'll catch you in the next one. Take care.